Ever heard of overclocking? It's when you push your tech to perform better than the manufacturer intended. Inside every device, whether it's your phone, tablet, or PC, is a processor that controls performance. The speed of that processor is determined by something called clock speed, or the number of cycles it can complete per second. Overclocking means you're turning that clock speed up beyond the default settings to get more power and performance. So, how do you overclock? On a PC, you typically go into the BIOS or use a software to tweak the clock speed. For phones, it might be as simple as downloading an app to increase performance. But here's the catch. While overclocking boosts speed, it also increases heat. And more heat can lead to instability, crashes, or even permanent damage to your device if you're not careful. To deal with that extra heat, overclockers often use advanced cooling systems, things like large heat sinks, powerful fans, or even liquid cooling setups to keep temperatures in check. But the trade-off is real. More speed requires more voltage, which raises power consumption and can shorten the lifespan of your device. Plus, most manufacturers won't honor warranties on overclocked devices. So, if you push too far, you might be on your own if something breaks. But if you're looking to get the absolute most out of your tech, whether for gaming, video editing, or just better performance, overclocking could be a great option. Just be prepared to monitor your device's temperature and know your limits. It's all about balancing that risk for the reward of more power. So, that's the basics of overclocking. More speed, more power, but with risk. Is it really worth it? That's the big question. In part 2 of this series, we'll dive into whether the performance boost is worth the potential downsides like heat, instability, and voided warranties. Stay tuned for Is Overclocking Worth It? And don't forget to hit that follow button so you don't miss it.